Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be tackling days 3 and 4 of the Try Hack Me Advent 2022 event. So definitely stay tuned, like, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so today's day 3 and 4. The first day, day 3, is going to be Osint, which is open source intelligence. If you didn't know that, it says nothing escapes Detective McRed. And it says, as the elves are trying to recover the compromised Santa.gift.shop website, Elf Recon McRed is trying to figure out how it was compromised in the first place. Can you help him gather open source information against a website? So it goes through what is Osint, some techniques, who is robot.txt, which is where you would place Google crawlers or things like that for the robots to know if they can crawl it or not. Kind of explains that. Have I Been Pwned? Great website. Go check it out. So question 1 is, what is the name of the register for the domain Santa.gift.shops? You can just go to a who is lookup. We'll just go who is. Just go to who.is right there. Let it load. Gift.shop. Try that. So the name is namecheap.inc. Is it registered under? We do know registrar information is Namecheap Inc. So we can just go ahead and put that in there. If you always have a question, just check the hints. So it says find the website source code on GitHub and open the file containing the sensitive credentials. So you just go to Google. So we'll just go to GitHub. Santa shop. Santa gift.shop, sorry. Source code for Santa gift.shop. Go there, and where do we need to go? We need to find a file containing sensitive information. So the hint said use the same search terms that Recon McRed used. So let's go ahead and go back up here and see what search terms McRed used. So he used terms like Santa shops, so Santa gift. So we already found source code. Okay, so we can just kind of start going through these, and we can start with the first one. Hey, look at that. There's a flag. That was pretty easy. So we can just copy that and paste it over there. And if you're using an attack box, you have to do copy it there and then copy it again and then come over here and copy it back. Just so you know, if you haven't used it too much. So it says what's the file containing the passwords. So we're in the config file, and we got database password, database username, database host name. So it's probably this one. So we config.php. Alright. And then it says, what is the name of the QA server associated with the website? So we need to find and see what other servers are on here. Maybe we click the hint. Check the file containing sensitive credentials. Okay, hold on.
One eternity later.
Okay, okay, give me a second and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm really silly. It was right there in front of me. I just wasn't reading close enough. So it says, yeah. I'm not sure what this is. I'm still working on languages. But I know this if loop, but it's the comment is just going to be, in case of QA, it will be qa.santagift.shop. So our QA server is going to be qa.santagift.shop. And then what is the database password that is being reused between QA and prod environment? So this is an environment variable, I guess. So we go database password right there. It looks like Santa 2022 is going to be defined as the database password, and then down here we have the prod, and this also is defined as Santa 2022, so we'll do that, and that'll take us to the end of the Osint, just day 3. So let's jump on day 4 real fast, which is going to be, so what are we doing today? Scanning through the snow. During the investigation of the downloaded GitHub repository in the Osint task, we identified qa.santa.giftshop that is probably used by all the elves with admin privileges to add or delete gifts on Santa's website. The website has been pulled down for maintenance, and now Recon McRed is scanning the server to see how it's been compromised. Can you help McRed scan the network and find the reason for the website compromise? So we're going to learn some scanning techniques and types and tools. Fun stuff: port scanning, vulnerability scanning, Nmap, Nikto. So let's go ahead and look at the first question. Obviously, I've done these already. But again, what is the name of the HTTP server running on the remote host? So we can just go ahead and get maybe Nmap. So let's try Nmap, and it gives us this handy dandy little code for TCP scan. So we'll do tag S big S 10.10.156. Ooh, what? Wow. 10.10.156.16, and we'll send it with the Nmap. So we have ports. We have 445, port 80, port 22. Alright. But what do we need? I think we need the name of the server running on the remote host. So let's go ahead. If I look over here at Nikto, I don't know how you say that, sorry. But it does say, let's see, host, and we go 10.10.156.16 and see what that pulls up. So we have some information here. Server, and it's an Apache, so that worked out for us. We just go ahead and do Apache, but okay. So we could also done Nmap tag SV. Which is I believe the S V is going to version number and SV, so service and version information. Would have brought it right up if I would have hit hint. So from our port scan that we did before, though, we roll up here, says what's the name of the service running on port 22? Port 22's SSH, which is what is commonly ran on port 22. We can go ahead and tag that in there. Then the next one is, what flag can you find after successfully accessing the Samba service? So we can roll up here and it'll tell us how to get into Samba. Let's connect to the Samba service using credentials we found during the Osint task. Type the following command into the address bar. So we can go over here. You gotta paste it in here and then copy it from here. Then you can don't delete it or it won't be there. So then we need the address bar. That looks like that. So hold on. Just do the home folder there. There's our address bar. The first time I did this, I thought the address bar was in the browser address bar, but it's not. It's in this one. So we hit enter and we get this. And then it says use the following name and password. And we're looking for a flag. So we can just try admin. Name is going to be Ubuntu. And the password's going to be S@NTA2022. Send it. There we go. We're in, so we're looking for the flag. Just go ahead and click flag. Alright, we got the flag there for that question, for the accessing the Samba servers. Okay, so the next question is, what's the password for the username Santa HR? Well, let's go ahead and click over here. Santa, or what's the password? So we're looking for user HR, or Santa HR. It's a Santa 25. Go ahead and plug that in there, and that will be day 4. We can learn more about Nmap scanning on the room Nmap, which I've already done, which is a good room to do. So thank you for staying tuned this long if you did. I'm sorry about some of the technical difficulties I had. But the next video I'm going to try to do day 5, brute forcing, and day 6, which obviously I haven't done yet, so stay tuned for that. Should be fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you later.